It's about the economy. It's about all of our economy, everywhere. It's about how we source, design, manufacture, utilise resources, and how we recover those resources and reutilise them. That's the economy, how we manage our environment around us.
Really about bringing our personal philosophy to the business, about being a sustainable business.
Definitely a personal desire to be part of the sustainability movement and to do it on a level that was much bigger than just an individual basis.
Part of the company DNA from 1983, utilizing the 3R of remand, reduce, and recycling, which was initially utilized to reduce the waste in components in vehicle electronics while capturing niche opportunity as a business.
Being resourceful and sustainable with your practices, again, it can result in economic gain. So turning your waste into value, turning your waste into worth, that is the win-win with the circular economy.
The way that we've designed our products has been with that whole sustainability and that whole circular life cycle in mind.
The benefits of the circular economy cannot be overestimated.
It gives me a great sense of pride to know that we've been instrumental in creating major reduction in waste.
Huge economic benefits. Profit and sustainability don't need to be mutually exclusive. In fact, we've found that by being resourceful and economical with our resources has resulted in greater profits.
We can get a financial benefit if we reincorporate them into our product.
We've saved a lot of money.
Cost down benefit of it, as well as the marketing benefits that ensue.
We're definitely seeing a major shift in consumer sentiment. If consumers are given the option of a business that does things sustainably and a business that doesn't, all things being equal, reports are showing that there's 70 to 80% of consumers that will actually go with the sustainable business.
It gave us some competitive edge compared to our competitors.
Our circular economy credentials provide an excellent marketing tool. It gives us a point of difference compared to our competitors. So people want to buy our products because they also believe in what we're doing. They like what we're doing.
For us, we're getting a lot more attention from a business to business commercial point of view and a lot more government engagement. So our impact not only on the environment but also on others and the way that we can actually create things for others has been a massive benefit for our company, and the growth trajectory we're on at the moment is being stimulated by the recognition of our contribution to the circular economy.
Future-proofing the supply chain of minerals and materials already in circulation, thus providing an alternative solution for our customers of high-quality products at a reasonable cost.
I think one of the greatest benefits has actually been that we've built trust with our customers, and trust in our reputation that we are people who, the people that comprise the business are passionate about trying to make a difference.
An affinity with your patrons. The patrons really buy into the refillable bottle program. They also like to hear about the spent grain going to the farm.
We can feel the energy building within the business and beyond.
It makes us an employer of choice. So it's very good in terms of attracting and retaining employees.
We're seeing a real cultural boost within our team because they know they're doing good and they're doing things that are actually feeding into a system that recognises how well that they are doing in that circular economy and the reduction of waste.
Our staff are more invested in our journey and are proud of the work that we're doing. They like working for an environmental, sustainable company.
Knowing that actually the company they're working is actually doing something about the environment.
There's the clear environmental impact. So for us, it's about creating a greener planet and that everything we do contributes to that.
People want to know where their product's coming from. They want to know it's being produced in a sustainable manner. They want to know what's happening with their waste. A lot of big companies are doing environmental reporting now.
Very keen on the environmental principles, and also the key staff here were also very much environmentally conscious.
Businesses certainly influence other businesses to do similar sorts of things as well.
They've developed a progressive and they're tapping into that progressive thinking. So they're always working out ways in which they can contribute to the circular economy in a better way and coming to us with brand new ideas all the time. And
so while it might sound soft, that, reputation and trust might seem like a soft kind of benefit, it has very real business outcomes.
It makes, again, economic sense as well as environmental sense.